Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to get the grid layout on your task changer on your Samsung S25 Ultra. So first you need to go ahead and open up the store. So this is the Samsung store. Here you need to go ahead and search for the app called Good Lock. So this is the app. Go ahead and install this app. Once installed, go ahead and open the app. Now in the app, you're looking for Home Up. Go ahead and tap on this. And then go ahead and switch this on. Go ahead and tap on Task Changer. So by default, you'll have the tilt stack, which looks like this. However, if you want the grid, go ahead and select grid. And then your grid will be selected. Now you can press Home. And now you have changed your task changer to a grid on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.